it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and today I am so excited because I just got a pretty big supply order today, and I'm excited because I want to show you guys. I get asked all the time where I get specific supplies and things like that for my wreaths, and I love answering you guys, but I thought it would be fun for me to shoot a video showing you exactly where I get all of my wreath supplies. And it's not just from one place, and it's mostly not even wholesale, believe it or not. So I'm excited to get into that. I'm going to let you know where I get my wreath supplies, and then I'm going to do an unboxing of my wreath materials. I am so excited to show you guys all the things I got, but first, as you guys have requested, let's get into where I find all my stuff. So the first store is, you've probably already guessed, Hobby Lobby. Who doesn't love Hobby Lobby? Put your hand down. I love Hobby Lobby, especially for greenery staples. For example, I get my magnolia leaves, my lamb's ear, and eucalyptus, all from Hobby Lobby. It's great because they're pretty good prices, especially they go on sale all the time, like every other week for the most part, consistently. And you can find them all year round. And as you know, if you've been around at all on Jenny's Wreath Boutique or anything like that, I use these greenery wreaths all year, and I have a regular wreath base, and then I spruce them up for every season. So it's really important to have a good, solid greenery mix all year round. I also get most of my colored burlap from Hobby Lobby. Like if you've seen my pumpkin wreath, I have a really cute burlap pumpkin wreath that I actually have a tutorial you can buy. I'll link it in the description below. And it's such a cute wreath. It's always really popular, and it uses colored burlap. I get all of that from Hobby Lobby. And I used to get some of it from Walmart, but Walmart jacked their prices up on burlap, so it's actually more expensive to get it at Walmart, which is kind of weird. So Hobby Lobby is where I find those. The next place that I shop for wreath materials is Michael's. I love Michael's for their seasonal florals. Because they're very realistic looking, and they just have a really good quality. And if you shop the sales, you can find pretty good deals. I never buy them full price. I mean, you can, but they're pretty spendy, but they're really nice. So I get my seasonal florals from Michael's, and my Christmas greenery, like evergreens and things like that. Most of those I get at Michael's as well. They just look so real, and Michael's always has good deals that you can stack with a coupon. Awesome. Another thing I get from Michael's, and I just grabbed some in from outside, are grapevine wreaths. Not all grapevine wreaths, but the grapevine wreaths I get from Michael's are the 14-inch size and the 18-inch size and the 6-inch size. And the reason I get them at Michael's is because every so often Michael's has a 40% off your regular price purchase. They never go on sale ever, so whenever they get that coupon out, I stock up on my grapevines in those sizes. The next place I get wreath materials at is actually Walmart, and the two biggest things I get at Walmart are my jute twine, where I make a little loop on the back of my wreaths to hang them, and my floral wire. They have the best price for floral wire, and that's where I get my 26 gauge. It's more flimsy and soft, but it's really easy to manipulate. If you need a lower gauge that's stronger and thicker, I would go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby and just use a coupon. And another place that I get my wreath materials is Amazon. Who doesn't love Amazon? Free shipping, right? The thing I like to get from Amazon is my glue, my hot glue. I only use one kind. You can also get it at Walmart, but it's the same price at Amazon, and then it's so much more convenient. You can just stay at your house and it's delivered in 2 days. So the glue I get is from Amazon, and boxes. And I've already covered my shipping boxes and stuff like that in a different video. I will link it below, and it's how I ship my wreaths. So I get all my shipping boxes, or the majority of my shipping boxes I get from Amazon. Another place I get wreath materials from is Wreath. And Wreath is wholesale. It's like Michael's wholesale, and they're great, and they get great prices. I mostly get seasonal supplies, just like I do at Michael's. I get seasonal I get seasonal supplies from Wreath. Now, you do need to have a business license. So to shop wholesale, obviously. So to shop Wreath, you need a business license. But everything on Wreath is actually also at Michael's. You just get a lower price. And the selection is actually less. It's not as great. But the nice thing about it is it's about 60% off Michael's prices. And you can get a lot more at a time, obviously, because you're buying in bulk. And actually, the majority of the things I'm going to show you today, I ordered from Wreath. Another thing I like to get at Wreath are wire wreath frames. You know, I do the burlap off the wire wreath frames, the burlap wreaths. So wire wreath frames you can also get at Michael's or Hobby Lobby and even Walmart. But I like Wreath because you can buy a ton at a discount price. And there's a lot of different options for sizes. So I get the 12-inch, 16-inch, and 18-inch sizes. Those are my standard sizes. I don't really venture out from there. Another thing I get there is the 10-inch and 12-inch grapevine wreaths. I get those at Wreath because they're cheaper, a lot cheaper than regular stores like Hobby Lobby and Michael's. And you can buy in bulk, like I said, which I sell a lot of mini wreaths, so those would come in really handy when I do that. Interestingly enough, I don't get my 14-inch and 18-inch wreaths, grapevine wreaths at Wreath because they're actually more expensive there by $1. It's kind of weird. They are $5.99 per wreath at Wreath, and regular Michael's full price is $4.99. And then with a 40% coupon, of course, it's way cheaper. So that is essentially where I get my wreath supplies. There are other wholesalers that have good ribbon, but I don't use a lot of ribbon, so right now I don't get into those other ones. So for now, those are my favorites. And the great news is, even if you don't have a business, the majority of this stuff you can just get on your own from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Amazon. So there you go. All right, now it's time to unbox our wreath materials. I'm so excited. And like I mentioned earlier, I got a bunch of grapevine wreaths. These are the 14-inch size. I needed to stock up because they go out of stock often, so it's important to stock up. I'm gonna get some of the boxes out of the way, and then we will open our stuff. I ordered these supplies from Wreath, like I said earlier, and a lot of this is preparing me for fall and also to do more summer wreaths. So yeah, let's get into it. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Okay, now we can get into it. First thing I got are these really cute, these are called Fireworks Bush in blue, and they make such a great filler flower and they give a nice pop of color. I ordered these because I was going to do some 4th of July designs, and there's blue, but it was delayed about a month, so it didn't quite get here in time. That's okay. Aren't these so cute? I love them. So I got a whole box of these, and this next box is the same thing except in like a white creamy color. So pretty. I love it. Just adds so much to a wreath. It's really important to have good quality filler plants, and it makes wreath making so much easier. So I got those, and I got this really pretty red maroon color. Isn't that cute? So these are really fun. And then I'll just take one out for you. They come in the box like this. Let's see, what are these called? These are called Pick Ivy Leather Button Fern Flowers. I picked this because of the pretty yellow color. I wanted to do like a wildflower kind of look for a wreath. And I like these picks. They make putting together different florals and textures really easy because it's already done for you. So these are really fun, especially for summer. Look at that yellow, and there's ferns and different textures and things like that. This next one is I know it looks the same, but it's not. I actually couldn't decide which one to get, so I got both. And this also has like really pretty yellow, like berry looking flowers. They add so much dimension and depth to a wreath, I think. And there's some boxwood in there and these cute little coleus leaves. It's a really, really pretty mix for summer and spring. These boxes are all the same thing, so that's nice. I only have to open one box. But these are these orange and reddish berries, berry picks, and I had a wreath last year that sold out like crazy. I'm so excited I got these orange berries. Aren't they so cute? They're red and orange. Because I had a bestseller wreath last year. I sold so many and it was so pretty. And I thought I'd ordered enough berries because you never know how many things you're gonna sell. But this wreath was so popular and I sold so many and I could not keep it in stock. So this year I made sure to buy a lot more of these because I tried to restock the wreath, but I couldn't because these were sold out. So orange berries, I like lots of different varieties, but berries just look so pretty in wreaths, especially in the fall. So lots of these. And I actually have another order coming with more of these. So I'm gonna have a lot of orange berries, but that's okay, they're probably all gonna get used. 100% they're all gonna get used. So all of these are those orange berries. It's kind of nice because it's labeled on the side of the box what it is, so I don't have to open all of them and it'll be easier to store. Okay, speaking of orange berries, feels like Christmas. Or should I say fall? I'm not funny. These are just called berry orange. And I love these. There's so much texture and interest in these. They're so pretty and they're big, so you can really see them in a wreath. And just adding a good greenery, maybe a seasonal flower, and some berries, and you have a recipe for a really nice wreath. So that's why I got these, because I thought they were so pretty, and I'm really excited to make some fall wreaths pretty soon. So I have one box full of these. I can't remember exactly how many are in each box. It's on my package slip, but it's like 32 or something like that. You might see a theme here. I like buying this kind of stuff wholesale because you can get so many and then you're ready, especially if you know you're going to use a lot of it. It just saves so much time and effort. So these are another orange berry, and these are a little bit smaller than the last ones, and they're a cute little berry pick, and I think these will look so adorable tucked into wreaths for this fall. I'm so excited to make some. Okay, and we just have a few things left in this box. I've already opened it and stuff. All right, and this is a greenery. It's just greenery bushes, and I like to keep myself really well stocked in quality greenery because I know I'm going to use this. I haven't planned out exactly what I'm going to use it for yet, but I know I will use it. So I have a bunch of these, and Hobby Lobby actually sells something extremely similar, but these actually are a little bit more realistic and they were a lot cheaper. So better quality and it costs less. So of course this was a no-brainer. Oh, that was so fun. Wasn't it fun seeing all those different things? I love it. It feels like Christmas. So now that I have all these new wreath supplies, my wreath room is a disaster. It's been so busy these last couple months, and so just keeping up with wreath orders and trying to keep everything stocked has been a lot, and my wreath room is not as efficient as I would like it to be. So I have some exciting news. I'm going to be giving my wreath room a makeover. I'm going to reorganize it, and I'm going to just have lots of different storage ideas, making a really good use of this space, floor to ceiling, hint, hint. So I'm really excited to show you guys that. I'm gonna get started on it this week, and that will be coming up really soon. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Even hit that bell so you're notified when I get a new video out, because you are not going to want to miss this video. I'm so excited. And I don't know about you, but I love seeing other people's spaces, especially their workspaces. I think it's really fun. So I thought it might be fun for you guys to see my wreath room. So that will be coming up next. And let me know, where do you get your wreath supplies from, or your craft supplies? I would love to know, which is your favorite store. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.